Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is the project for module 1. Try to create this small foods web app. It covers almost all the concepts that we have learned so far in this module. It contains a top bar, list of favorite foods, images, labels, links, etc. So when you click here on a food, it scrolls down to that section. So we've bookmarked different sections. Similarly, if you click here on the burger, it scrolls down to the burger. So what I want you to do is create a similar web page with your favorite food items, create this project on codepen.io and share the URL in the comment section below. All the best guys, I'm so excited to see what you design. Bye and take care.